She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when things tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
In the eye, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape, and I don't wanna beg.
Check up. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday po. Thank you, thank you. Kit. Oh, thank you.
Galing ni Ate Rose. Galing ni Ate Rose, guys, oh. Ate Rose. Ate Rose, ano yan?
Happy birthday sa Jeff.
Ano daw?
Happy birthday, Jeff.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nagtataya na sa Ate Joy.
Bumusap-sap na kayo, ilan lang tao. Bigat sa
Mamaya bibitin ko tapos bukas mo. Guys, sawa sa araos din. Tapos gira.
Go. Happy birthday, Kuya. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Charge up lang, no?
Iinom muna ako. Kasi wag.
Yo, binabati ko nga pala na maligayang kaarawan yung tropa ni Noy Luz na si Ben Mark Mondragon Amor. Enjoy your day. God bless. Peace out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pinatay niyo na agad. Di ko man na...
Dalawa lang piraso daw. Tayo. Ate-ate.
Di ba ang Christmas tree may balls? Ako wala.
Smile.
Toninho!